Presenting the K6206R rotary sander by GALAX Pro. This tool has a high performance with 280 watts powerful fine copper motor. It has a 6 variable speed function for different demands, ideal for sanding, smoothing out and finishing wood. The built-in dust collection system prevents clouds of dust and enables easy cleanup. Rotation speed goes up to 13,000 RPM. This random orbit sander is equipped with a 125 millimeter diameter sanding pad. This ensures that the user is able to sand even larger surfaces and hand materials quickly. GALAX Pro, power to change your life.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.